Well, hello guys, my name is Snake from M&M Collectors, and today I will be opening this XY base set Blister pack. The reason why I'm opening this, it was on sale at my local store. Oh well, let's open this bad boy. I don't have a good tactic of opening these, so I'm going to rip the pack. My usual professional self. Cardboard is my nemesis. Okay. How does one open this? Well, that's solid. Try open the rest. So, we have a promo, a lovely Gyarados. And we have the coin. You can't see it, there it is. And we have 3 packs. Let's start with Xerneas. I can open the pack, it's been far too long. Oh, I ripped it, awesome. So, card for you guys, here we go. 3 and 2, I think it was. It's been a long time. So we have, let's see, a Chespin, Pansear. Let's move my light a little bit. We have a Staryu, Swirlix, I have no idea. Fletchling, Inkay, a Shadow Circle, a Doublade, a reverse Venipede, and the rare is a regular rare Beedrill. Next pack. Awesome, I ripped it again. Card. Here we go. 3 and 2. Let's do this. We have a Jigglypuff, Diglett, Sandile, Froakie, Lillipup, Muscle Band, Hard Charm, a Professor Sycamore, a Reverse Doduo, and the rare is a Hollow Delphox. Awesome. So, now the last pack. Can we pull something amazing? Probably not knowing my luck. We have the code card. Also, if you claim the codes, make sure to leave in the description what you get from those codes. So 3 and 2. We have a Skidoo, Venipede, Spritzee, Pikachu, a Bidoof, Cassius, I think, Whirlpeet, a Doublade, a reverse Pumpkaboo, and the last rare is going to be a regular rare Distinct Conduldor. Sure. So if you enjoyed this opening, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos of pack openings of Pokemon, and I'm going to try to do some Yu-Gi-Oh in the near future. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye.